once he asked me, what are you doing? Why are you behaving like this? You're not even focusing on work. I said, I'm thinking about Akshay. He almost slapped me. I still remember in some outdoor.
Did I? No.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have reacted that way to that, yeah?
Yeah, you just made a face and...
Amir, you're always known to be very honest about your opinion. Did you really think she was a good actress? I thought she was fantastic. I thought she was fantastic. No, I'll ask you again. Maybe you're being a little intimidated by the surroundings. See, do you think she was a good actress?
Shut up! But how many times? No, I couldn't act. I'm very happy I quit.
Well, you know, all of us have different abilities. And I mean that. And Twinkle is really talented in some of the most amazing, you know, activities like insulting people. She's an expert in insulting people. I mean, all through my life, since I've known her, she has just constantly insulted me.
सास भी कभी बोलना.
That is a
I would say that she is baby. She's like a deadly mission with a very, very, very happy ending. So,
you know that has all kinds of meanings.
listen, I don't know how you're going to think about it, but that was my film, and that's what she is.
She's a baby with a deadly mission and a happy ending. She sounded like something we've banned already. Amir, you have a fun title that describes Trina? Yeah, Hunter Wali.
Well, I'm really happy for Twinkle. I think it's wonderful that she's written a book and that she started writing. I think it's a wonderful thing. I've read some of her articles that have come out and she's very entertaining. She has a lot of very wry kind of humor and very nice style of writing. So I'm very happy for her and I've come to wish her all the very best and in the start of a new career for her. जी हाँ, मैंने उनके साथ फिल्म में काम किया है और उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर तो हमेशा से अच्छा ही था. और उस वक्त मुझे अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि वो इतनी अच्छी लेखक बनेंगी और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि ये किताब उन्होंने लिखी है. उनके आर्टिकल्स मैंने कई पढ़े हैं, बहुत ही मज़ेदार आर्टिकल्स हैं और मेरी तरफ से उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई कि ये उनका एक नया कदम है एक नए करियर में एंड आई विश हर ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
I've been writing for 2 years and I've been writing columns and finally the way I started writing was the editor of DNA said that you're a voracious reader and you crack apparently very lame jokes all the time, so why don't you write a humorous column? And I said, millions of people watch cricket, doesn't mean they can play cricket, but she said you try, and I started writing and so on. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है व्हेन यू आर यंगर, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर डेंजरस चीज़ है. अगर आपके पास दिमाग में कंट्रोल नहीं है तो आप दूसरे को शायद हर्ट कर लेते हैं वो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से. तो थोड़े एज के साथ वो कंट्रोल में आ जाता है एंड दैट इज़ आई गेस विद टाइम दैट्स हैपेंड टू मी, सो आई कैन नाउ deal with it better. I think now we have to become very cautious. Earlier we used to make jokes about everything and everyone. I mean, if you see, let's say Laurel and Hardy, you made jokes about a fat guy and a thin guy. But today if you make those jokes, you will be standard and you will be a quandary. So yeah, you have to be pretty cautious with that.
What is the book about?
It's about you, Karan. There's a chapter in it says Karan Johar celebrates Karwa Chauth. There really is a chapter.
There's a part of me that really wants to do that,
It's about how a modern woman looks at India and how India looks right back at her.
Right.
We live in a world where we have sent a satellite to Mars, but we're looking at the moon and praying for our husband's long lives. I do it. My sister-in-law makes me do it, forces me. So, and the thing about writing about India is our economic backgrounds are often very different, but our cultural references are always the same. So, movie stars' child will have a black thread around her wrist, and so will a tailor's. And I try to find things that are
sort of a common thread, literally, between all kinds of people, and look at India in my own sort of